At Bradley Environmental Consultants, we provide a full range of UKATA-approved training, including a face fitting service. Here you get a closer look at the training process, which includes drilling and wiping down surfaces to minimize asbestos exposure, and safely removing PPE to prevent contamination and properly disposing of hazardous waste in accordance with safety regulations. This training equips operatives with the skills and competency to safely work on textured coated surfaces while following HSE guidelines for asbestos handling and removal. Workers can now confidently apply their training, following best practices to stay compliant and maintain a safe work environment on site. Our UKATA-certified training courses provide the best learning experience, keeping you and your team informed, compliant, and confident.